Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into a topic that is the secret weapon of almost every successful person out there: self-confidence. But we're not just going to talk about theory. I want to share a story with you, a story that completely changed my perspective on what confidence really is and how to build it. Picture this: there was once a young lion. Let's call him Leo. Leo was born into a long line of powerful pride leaders, but he was different. He was shy, he hesitated, and he was terrified of failure. While the other young lions practiced their roars and pounced with ferocity, Leo would hang back, his heart pounding with anxiety. He felt like a total imposter. The elders would watch him and shake their heads, whispering that he'd never live up to his family's name. One day, an old wise lion pulled him aside. He didn't scold Leo. Instead, he gave him a single, simple task. "See that small stream over there?" he asked. "Every day, I want you to jump across it." Just once. Leo was confused. It was such a tiny stream, a leap any cub could make. But he did as he was told. The first day, he jumped. It was easy. The second day, he jumped again. The third, the fourth, for an entire month, he jumped across that same little stream. It felt pointless. He wasn't getting stronger or faster. He went back to the old lion and said, "I don't understand. I've been doing this every day, but I don't feel any more confident. I'm still afraid of everything else." The wise lion just smiled and led him to a different spot. In front of them was a wide, roaring river. A chasm. "Now," the old lion said, "jump across this." Leo's blood ran cold. It was impossible. He looked at the churning water, then back at the old lion, completely terrified. But then something strange happened. As he stood there, his body remembered the feeling of jumping. The muscle memory from that small daily leap kicked in. He remembered the motion, the landing, the tiny daily success. It was a familiar feeling. Without even thinking, he took a deep breath, backed up, and launched himself into the air. He soared across the chasm and landed safely on the other side. He was stunned. He turned around breathless and saw the old lion beaming. "You see, Leo," the elder called out, "confidence is not the absence of fear. It is the memory of success." That story hit me like a ton of bricks. We all wait for this big, magical moment to suddenly feel confident. We think we need to feel brave before we take the big leap. But that's not how it works. Confidence is built in the small, seemingly insignificant daily wins. It's the proof you build for yourself, day after day, that you can do it. So what's your small stream? What is that one tiny, manageable action you can commit to every single day? Maybe it's speaking up for 1 minute in a meeting. Maybe it's writing 100 words of that book you want to finish. Maybe it's just making your bed every morning. It doesn't matter how small it is. The point is to do it consistently. Each time you complete that tiny task, you are banking a memory of success. You are proving to your own brain, "I did what I said I would do." These small deposits accumulate. They build a powerful foundation of self-trust. And when you're finally faced with your own roaring river, that big presentation, that new business venture, that difficult conversation, you won't have to rely on feeling brave. You will have a whole history of success to stand on. Your body and mind will remember, "I've done this before. I can do this again." Start today. Identify your stream. Take that first small leap, and then do it again tomorrow. It's not about the size of the jump. It's about the consistency of the action. That is the real secret to building unshakable self-confidence. Thanks so much for watching. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you level up your life. I'll see you in the next one.